Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to guide you how to fix Oculus SDK issues when playing SteamVR on Quest 3. The first thing that you should do is to close all VR related software on your PC, including the Meta Quest app and SteamVR. Restart your Quest 3 headset and then reboot your personal computer. Second, make sure that your Meta Quest PC app StreamVR and graphics drivers are updated to its latest version. Another thing that you can do is to right-click on the MetaQuest PC application and SteamVR executables and select Run as Administrator. Please take note that both Oculus and SteamVR have their own OpenXR runtimes. This is a common source of conflict. You need to tell your system which one to use. Lastly, make sure that your graphics driver is updated to its latest version. See if this can fix the app itself.